A group is a selection of your ACT contacts with something in common, such as contacts who work together on a specific project, or those who work in a similar field. If you regularly interact with contacts that share a common characteristic, then you may want to create a group for them to streamline your process. In this video, I want to show you how to create the simplest of groups, the static group. Creating groups is easy in ACT. All you really have to do is click the Contacts, Companies, and Groups button on the left navigation, and then click the Groups button at the top of the screen. From here, locate the Create New button on the right, and just click it. Now you can give your group a name. I'm just going to call this one Christmas Newsletter, and then we'll click the Save button. Now I'm going to use this group to send out a personal newsletter each December. But this group is ready to go. It's created in my database now. However, this group is useless until you add some contact records to it. You can add as many contacts to a group as you want, and there's no limit to the number of groups to which a contact can belong. It's wide open, and it's left to your own discretion. You could even create a subgroup to this group. For example, if you needed to separate your contacts into lower tiers of group membership here. Usually, when you add contacts to a group, you'll either add them statically, meaning you'll manually select which contacts to add to or remove from your group, or you'll add them dynamically, which means you'll just set up some rules for search criteria, and then you'll let ACT handle the membership according to which contacts qualify to your predefined rules. You could also do a combination of both of these if you want, but for this video, we're going to keep it simple, and we're going to just create a static membership group. So here's how we can manually add contacts to this group. There are two ways to do this. First is from the context of the group itself. So down on the Contacts tab, we're going to click this Add Remove Contacts button. This screen is broken up into two halves, and the top half is where we can manually add contacts to the group. So let's click the Contacts button. Now I can just use a search, or I can scroll through my list to find each contact that I want to add to the group. Click them to highlight them, and then just click the right arrow button to enroll them in the group. After you've added as many contacts as you want, just click the Save button at the bottom, and then click Save again. Now ACT will show you the 3 contacts that I've added to this group. There's a second way to statically add contacts to a group, and this is from the context of an individual contact. So let's say that I just added a new contact to my ACT database, but while I was entering the data to all of the fields for that contact, I also decide I want to add them to my Christmas newsletter group as well. Let's locate one of these contacts. And from the detail view for the contact, we'll click the Groups and Companies tab. Make sure this drop-down says Groups and Subgroups, and then we'll click the button that says Add Remove Contact from Group. Now just scroll down in the list to locate the Christmas newsletter group. Click the right arrow to move it over into the right column, and then click Save. Now when I go back to my Groups area, and I look at the Christmas newsletter group, we should see that this new contact has been added as a member of the group. They will remain a member of the group until I manually remove them.